Finally getting to go through my first manufacturing order. I bought everything. Let's unbox it. I got the leopard print gloves and another pair. So I got 2 pair. See how they fit? I have a really hard time finding gloves because I have long fingers. My mom says that perfect for a piano player, which I do like to play piano. Actually, those feel pretty decent. I'm sure they'll stretch a little bit, which will be good. Those are good. Another set. Let's see. Those are all right too. I think they'll stretch. They do have leather palms, so they got the little finger and thumb. So just kidding. Don't do that while you're writing. All right, so gloves are good. Bonus. It's been such a hard task for me to find gloves that fit. All right, let's put those aside. Super excited for this. It's called Sophia. It is a flannel. And it's plaid. So that makes me super excited. Looks like it's got some space for armor. So I'll have to get some armor there. I got a small. Small's pretty decent. Decent. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Nice. Winner, winner. Give you a little view. Very cool. Okay. What else? The Maiden leather jacket. I have never actually owned leather riding gear. So here we go. Also a small. It's got a nice liner in there. Looks like that zips out. It does. It does, it does, it does. Ooh. Oh, that's nice too. Let's see. Kind of cool, yeah. I mean, it'll work itself in. Some good ventilation. Do a little spin. Cool. Okay, Maiden. 4 for 4. And I had to get vests because I love vests. What more do I love? What do I love more, than vests? Camo vests. Hell yeah. It's my color. It's my jam. Oh, so fancy. Super fancy. Oh, it's camo inside too. Did I just fall in love? I think I did. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I think I'm just going to wear this all day, everywhere. Yeah. Super nice. Got the ties on the side. I love it. 5 for 5. 5 for 5. What else do we got? Okay. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. I was excited for this too. This is the Holly. Holly, holly, holly. All right. So it's like a jacket, jean jacket with leather arms and a hood. Won't fit over your helmet, but it's cool. Whee. Yep. Love it. Love it. Another one. That's awesome. Very cool. Oh. Let's get that. Hell yeah. Okay. What else I got? Oh, last thing. So I've never owned chaps. Ever. Crazy. I've been riding for like 17 years on the road. I've never owned chaps. Let's see. See if these work. I don't even know how to get into these. Do you zip them? Do you unzip them? They got stretch. Okay. I just put my leg in. Yeah. Okay. Am I wearing these right? Did I put them on wrong? I don't know what to do. Right? Watch me struggle. Okay, okay. One leg. Two legs. Yeah. What did I do wrong? Ha! Ha! Okay. All right. I am doing something fucking wrong here, and I don't know what. What'd I do? Why is that on that side? What'd I do? How do you put these on? Okay. This is why I don't own chaps, because I don't know how to wear chaps. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, get in there. Get in there. A little long. That's expected. I just gotta pull them up, I guess. Yeah. Wow. Wowee. These are fantastic. I could wear them with my new jacket. Oh. I can't tell you how excited I am. Like, honestly. This is rad. They got a little tie at the back. Wow. And everything fits. Everything fits. I'd say that's a win. Winner, 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 chicken dinner. All right, so if you're looking for some awesome riding gear, check out First Manufacturing. Because, yeah, they're rad.